Hello friends, today I'm going to discuss on how to add new blog post in WordPress, right? Okay, so that we will understand. Okay, so this is the blog post which is being published, right? Okay, so what I'll do is I'll click here, I'll go to post, add new. Okay, so these are the list of blogs which are already published. Okay, so 1 second. So yes, now I click on add new, right? Okay, so let's do the WordPress blog posting. So what was I'll copy this title here. Okay, so now what I'll do is initially I'll copy first paragraph here. Okay, then scroll down. Okay, and copy next. Okay, so you can copy from here. You can copy the content here. Okay, yeah, it's pretty simple. Okay, so I'll go here. Yeah, so what we can do is we can do the corrections here. For example, okay, so we'll try to find out if there are any grammatical errors here. Okay, now what we'll do is we will do the internal linking, right? Okay, so what I'll do is crm _la /blog. Okay, so what I do is we are on the blog page here. Okay, so we are going to do the internal linking here, right? So I'll open this link here, copy this URL. So now when you're doing internal linking, right, so you have to do the anchor text optimization, like your keyword has to be in the anchor text, right? So one thing we'll do here is we'll try to see, yeah, internal linking. See, we have done this internal linking here. See, this internal linking is done to chiropractic Los Angeles, Best Chiropractic Center in Los Angeles. This is already done. So this is how you have to copy the text here. Okay, then Control B and you get it, right? Okay, so now I want to do one more internal linking here. crmwellness.com. So I'll copy this URL over here. Okay, so this. See, I'm going to do the internal linking here. Correct? Yeah. I hope this is clear. So we did two internal linkings in this particular post. So we did the formatting here. Okay, so this is the local content, right? Okay, so we did try to mention the local content because CRM Wellness is a local business. Okay, it's a local chiropractic center in Los Angeles, right? So we just try to create the local content for this particular post. Yeah. Okay. So now what I'll do is so now I'll come here, come back to this post. Now we will write meta tags. Okay, so I click on settings or headline analyzer and this. Click on this. Okay, so click on post here. So now before I write the meta tags, I will define the categories. It is chiropractor in Los Angeles. Okay, whenever you are adding tags, first thing is your title should be in your tag, so that becomes a long tail keyword, right? Okay, then I have given the internal link to best chiropractic center in Los Angeles, right? So I'll say best chiropractic center in Los Angeles. Okay, so this is one. Scroll down. CRM Wellness is a brand keyword, so I'll say CRM Wellness as well. CRM Wellness. Okay. So I've added the tags here. Okay. So see, we are on SEO Headline Analyzer, right? So as per the plugin SEO Headline Analyzer, the score is 81 out of 100. Why? Because you can see what makes CRM Wellness the best chiropractor in Los Angeles, right? Okay, so you can understand what are the common words which is used. 30%. Okay, it's said that headline with 20 to 30% common words are more likely to get clicks. Okay, so it's like when you do the word balance, it's stated that you have to compare the percentage of your results to the goal for each category and adjust as necessary, right? Okay, so see, it gives you complete score when it saying that your score is 81 out of 100. So either you can continue with the same headline or you can try a new headline. Now I click here. Okay, so here it is something you have to do the changes, right? Okay, so I'm gonna write here what makes CRM Wellness the best chiropractor in Los Angeles. Correct? So I'm gonna click on edit snippet. Okay, so this is something. Now what I'll do is I have to write the description here. Correct? See, if I close here, now I suggest friends that you open Quillbot. Okay, so with this tool you can do the paraphrasing here. Okay, you can rewrite sentences here, correct? So here we are using the keywords here, right? So we'll do the paraphrasing here. Okay, so we can copy this paragraph here. So I'll say Control C. Okay, so I'll go back to Quillbot here. Okay, see, now I click on paraphrase. So if you are in Los Angeles and ever Google, okay, it said if you search for chiropractor near me in Los Angeles, you are likely to find CRM Wellness, the city premier chiropractic clinic, correct? So you can use this. Okay, so it's changed, right? So it's an amazing tool where you can paraphrase sentences. You just need to make sure that they are grammatically correct, right? So I'll copy this over here. I click on edit snippet. Okay, so we'll try to fix it grammatically right. Okay, so you see friends, now score has gone to 71, right? Okay, now I'll tell you one amazing tool, right? So that's called as downloader.la. Okay, so you click on view tools here. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll go to get images here. Okay, so there are many options, right? Getty Images, iStock Photo, Big Fair, Photo Shelter, Photographer, right? Okay, so see, it's simple logic. Here you can crack images here. Click on Get Images. Okay, so you can click on chiropractor. Chiropractor. Click on search by image. So you can see chiropractic care. You can try different search term here. Okay, so see, now what you're going to do is you're going to copy this URL over here. Okay, I'll minimize the screen here, right? So now I go to Get Images. I click on download now. I click on close. Okay, so now in this box what you're going to do is you're going to copy the URL. Okay, then click on download. Okay, click click on download now. And here's the magic. See, now you can download this image, right? Save image as, I'll say as chiropractor Los Angeles, or I'll say chiropractor in LA, or I'll say as West chiropractors in Los Angeles. Okay, so I'll go here, then I'll go here. Okay, so just scroll down. Okay, so click on settings, you click on post. Okay, so this is the option called a featured image. So click on set featured image. Then click on upload files. Okay, and click on select files. And click on this particular file. Right. So what you are going to do over here is, I close this tab. I'll say chiropractor in Los Angeles, all text. So every image should have all text. What is all text? So you have to define the keyword in all text. Okay, so I'll say chiropractor in Los Angeles. So I'll copy this over here. Okay, I'll click on set featured image, and here's the magic. So featured image is uploaded, right? So whenever actually you're publishing the blog, right, first thing is, before you publish, click on save draft. Okay, then what you are going to do is click on preview in new tab. See, let's see the preview, how it looks like. Okay, so CRM Wellness LA, right? So this is the preview mode. Okay, now we will click on publish. I'll click on publish. Okay, so click on view post, and here we go, we have published the blog post. Okay, so I'll close these URLs over here. So I'll close this URL here. So what you're going to do is, you're going to click on Pingomatic. we're going to give links to search engine. Okay. Then you have to copy this URL. Copy this URL over here. I click on send things. Okay, so this is done. Now what you're going to do is go to Google Search Console. Google Search Console. Okay, click here, then click on Start Now. Okay, so we are on the Google Search Console dashboard of CRMNS. Okay, so now whenever any new URL is published, right? Okay, so what you have to do is you have to copy this URL over here. Okay, copy this. Okay, so you have to copy this URL and inspect any URL box and enter. So it will retrieve the data from Google index. Okay, so now what's coming? URL is not on Google. This page is not in the index, but not because of an error. See the details below to learn why it was an index. So now it's not on Google, right? So your job is to click on request indexing. Testing if live URL can be indexed. So just wait for a few seconds. Okay, so indexing requested. So it said like URL was added to a priority crawl queue, right? Okay, so submitting a page multiple times will not change its queue position. Okay. So I hope you got it right. Click on got it. Then click on test live URL. So now it is testing live URL. So this might take a minute or two, right? Guys, just hold on because usually testing live URL takes some time. It takes a minute or two. So now it's done. See, this is a magic. URL is available to Google. If it is indexed and selected as canonical, it could appear in Google search results with all relevant enhancement, right? I hope this is clear, guys. So with this, I end my session. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. All right. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.